Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by s for the both sides. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of 2 over s ds. The integration of this one, we will have about 2 ln s. Next, number 2 will go inside about ln s, and you got about ln s square, and this one you got about s square in here. That means we multiply both sides by s square. Now we need to simplify this one. S squared divided by s, you got about s, similar for this one. Now we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, you got about y equals to uv. Now if we look carefully about this one, we can see that we have first derivative of u multiplied by v, 2s, that is about first derivative of s squared multiplied by u. And if we do this integration, you got about ys squared. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So this one we can use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to ds. dv we have sine s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative cosine s. So we have u multiplied by v, and you got about negative s cosine s minus. We have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative sign in here. Negative with negative, you got about positive. And we have the integration cosine s ds. The integration of this one, you got about sine s, and we put about c. And then we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, we divide both sides by s squared. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.